Realityworks is excited to introduce two new learning aids for hydroponics instruction: the Plant Producer Educational Hydroponic System and the Plant Lab Educational Hydroponic System. Created in response to educator demand for interactive learning aids that could be used to teach hydroponics in the classroom, both of these units include curriculum and PowerPoint so that your students can learn what hydroponics is and how it can be used to grow plants and produce, plus starter kit materials and a user guide so you can use them to start growing right away. Educators who use our hydroponics system in the field tell us that these systems are helping them engage more students in agriculture careers, address important STEM concepts in their curriculum, establish farm-to-school programs in their schools, and collaborate with other career and technical education instructors. You can learn more about our educational hydroponic systems by visiting our website, www.realityworks.com.